Okay folks, so we're going to start lesson 3, and again it is a double. So this is the lesson notes. There are 2 other links attached to the assignment. One is puberty in boys and one is puberty in girls. Together they're about 35 minutes long, but they're really good, so they may answer questions that you may have. So that's a good watch. So just first, these are the answers to the homework question. So question 1, part A was ovary and the female gamete is the egg. In question 2, part A is the penis and B was sperm. And in question 3, A transports sperm or semen, B releases sperm or semen, is involved in sexual intercourse or insemination. So insemination is just when the male deposits sperm in the female. C produces sperm or stores sperm or produces testosterone. We may not have done this part just yet, but the head has the nucleus or has the DNA. The tail is responsible for movement. So you can have a look and compare what you got. So I would recommend that you maybe look at the puberty videos first, but if you don't want to, then that's fine. So the learning intention for today is to understand what happens in males and females in puberty. So unfortunately these won't work because of it being Mac program. So first and foremost, puberty is the time when the sex organs mature and other physical and emotional changes take place. So you guys are living this at the moment. So this little diagram here may give you some ideas as to what these things may be. So maybe have a think, and if you've looked at the video you could come up with a couple of signs of puberty. So it can start at 12 to 13 years old in the males, but it mightn't happen until you get into 3rd form or 4th form. And there are a whole load of different things that happen. So firstly, the testicles and penis grows in size, shoulders broaden, and you get an increase in musculature. Your voice breaks and deepens, and Adam's apples may become more prominent in males. Hair will grow around your sex organs, on your face, your chest, underarms. Your legs may get more hairier, your back may get more hairier depending on your genetics. Sperm production begins at this point. So you need to make sure you have included these in your notes and pick maybe 3 that you think will stay in your head if the SEC ask about it. So for females, you may have an idea of what the changes are in puberty in females. So females mature physically, mentally, and I would say emotionally way before males of the species. So usually 1 to 2 years before, so ages of 12 on, maybe things start kicking in. So for females, the ovaries and uterus grow in size. That's not very apparent from the outside, but suddenly breasts will start to enlarge, hips broaden, you'll get hair again around your sex organs and under your arms. Egg production begins, your menstrual cycle will begin, and these would be the features of puberty. So as a lesson, this one is short and sweet. I would recommend that you have a look at the 2 video links because they're really good, very straightforward. So that is there for you. And again, I am on Zoom for the duration of the lesson for you to ask questions. Your homework is going to be, there are 2 Google Forms. They will be separate, or sorry, 2 Microsoft Forms. They will be separate. And they ping at around 9:20 this morning. So you have to have those done with your notes by midnight on Sunday. And please remember, your notes are going, you have to find the class notes section of your own class notebook, and there is the 2101, I think it's human reproduction or reproductive systems page, and you are going to upload the photos of your notes there. Okay, get in touch if you have any problems. Talk soon.